I'm gonna get you, you little son of a bitch. I'm gonna get you, you little son of a bitch. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
I'm not gonna say hi. You know what I'm gonna say? Fuck you. Fuck you straight to hell. Fuck you up the asshole. Fuck you. Which one?
I was just insulted by two big dolls. Little kid.
Back from war too bag? You really want some of this shit?
I'm gonna kick your ass. Some things I really hate is when people say hi to each other in the middle of the street.
Oh, hey, there's my friend. Oh, sorry. So, hey, what's up, John? Nothing much, beef. How's life? Good. How's your life? Not that great. My rodent just died the other day. Oh, that's too bad, man. Sorry about that. Oh, where's my Applebee's car side to go? What the hell? Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Somebody just went off of here. Oh my god, we're so screwed, man. I don't know what to do. Ah! Oh.
I also hate gay strippers.
Like the view, honey? 'Cause I'm gay. Ah! Shit! Shut up! Tragic accident. Fatality.
Let's just say the battle was good. Until Philadelphia Steve shoved her head in between the couch and the armrest. And Shayna committed suicide with a revolver. Captain. We'll just say the battle was fought tough.